Hello friends, I am BM. In this video I will show you how to split C drive space. Okay, now you see here there is only C drive. Now I am going to show you split this C drive. Okay, now right click on this PC, click on manage. Now click on disk management. After this click on right click on C drive, click on property. Now you see here 27 GB is used, other is free. Okay, now click on cancel. Right click on C drive, click on shrink volume. Okay, now there is the option to change drive size. Okay, I am leave as it is. Click on finish. Okay, now you see our drive is splitted. Now click on allocated space, click on new volume, click on next. There is the option to change drive size. Okay, and change this size divided by 2. Okay, after this click on next, click on next, click on finish. Okay, now this is other drive, new value, same process. Now close this, click on this PC. Now you see our drive is created, D drive and I drive. Okay, thank you for watching me. See you on next video.